Hey everybody, I am here today just to show you how we are going to utilize Google Calendar to set up your parent-teacher conferences. I think you're going to find that this is really a slick system, and I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is just log into your Gmail account. When you get into your mail, obviously it looks like this in your inbox. Then you're going to go up to where it says Calendar, right where my cursor is. You click on Calendar, and you're going to go down in the left margin where it says My Calendars, and you are going to click on the little down arrow and go to Create New Calendar. This screen will pop up. We're going to give it a calendar name. We'll just put Jaber Conferences. Location, we're going to put room, let's say 220. You don't have to do anything else with that, but go down here or up top and just hit Create Calendar. Now what will happen is if you look in your list of calendars, it is going to show up, and here it is right here. I'm going to change the color, make it a little bit neon green, lime green, and now I have got that set up. So with that being said, what I want to do now is I want to actually create the blocks of time in my calendar, and so what it's going to allow the parents to do is actually go to the dates that the conferences are at and actually choose one of those little pieces in the block and obviously schedule an appointment. So how you do that is we're going to want to go to the actual date of the conferences. So you just take your arrow up here and you want to scroll over, and I believe the conferences for the middle schools are the 28th, Tuesday the 28th of February, and March 1st, Thursday, March 1st. I'm just going to use 3:30 to 6:30 as a time block because I think that's when they are. And so what I want to do is just scroll down to where the 3:30 time block starts. I will click on that and a window will open. As you can see, there is something that has the word new next to it, and it says appointment slots. That's where you want to go to create these appointment slots for your conferences. So you go ahead and you click on appointment slots, and we're going to call this Jaber Conferences. Now notice it says calendar, and there's a drop-down menu if you have more than one calendar. I happen to have more than one calendar, so I'm going to go down to where I actually just created that new calendar, so I have it on the right calendar. There are slots of time too as far as the increments for how long you want your conferences to be, and we're going to go with 10-minute increments. And once you do that, you go to Edit Details. Now we want to make sure that our block of time, because right now if you look, it just has it 3:30 to 4:30. So we're going to go to Edit Details, and we're going to change the time, and all you have to do is just click in the box and scroll down to 6:30. So now you've got your block of time, 3:30 to 6:30, in increments of 10 minutes, where you can put your room number, room 220, and any description that you want to put in, you can do that as well. Now the key here is, do you see this link? This link you want to highlight. You want to copy that link, and this is the link that you want to email whoever is setting up your master calendar. So that is the link that is going to take parents by using their kids or their child's Gmail account. They're going to log in as their child. They are going to go to whatever site you are going to put the teacher's name with the links to their calendar. All they need to do is, let's say if it's Mr. Jaber they're looking for, they're going to look for my name, click on my name, click on this link, and it's going to take them to my calendar with all these slots available, and they will just book their appointment through that. It's really slick to use. So this link you are just going to email, obviously, to whoever is setting up your page. After you do this, you just hit save, and I'll show you. Go back to the calendar. On that Tuesday, I have just created my block of time for the conferences. Now what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to go over to Thursday. You're going to have to repeat the process, except you do not have to copy and send that link to whoever's setting up your page, because the link that you made for the first one will show them both days. So that is it in a nutshell. All you have to do is just go in and create the block of time, set the parameters the way you want them, and then just copy and paste that link into an email to whoever is setting up your page for conferences, and you are set to go. Feel free to email me with any questions that you have, and that's jaberm@fond du Lac.k12.wi.us. And otherwise, you can call 6576, and I will help you with whatever you need. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.